Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are at Sheni's Auto Trend for the second annual Eurofest show. You guys will probably remember, links above, last year's Eurofest show. We were here and it was a great day, great group of guys, and the turnout so far is incredible. So let's head to the back and I'll show you guys all the incredible cars that showed up. The lineup of cars that are here this year is mind-blowing. So let's head back there and I'll show you guys all the cool rides. Check out this crazy camera car. That is absolutely insane. You guys will probably remember this M3 from last year's vlog. Still one of my favorites. Absolutely awesome interior. It's gorgeous. Rob's M3 looking super clean. All the cars in here are just unbelievable. So well done. And then they got a dyno now. And they got their M4 GTS parked on the dyno. Man, this car is beautiful. We got Aaron's V-Dub. The Minis all parked up here, looking friggin' totally rad. We seen this guy the other day following us. Still plays with cars. I'm pretty sure you were in the vlog doing the exact same thing last year.
I absolutely
polishing
was.
your wheels.
You catch me every year doing this, man?
Nope. Super clean. Looks good. VIP. Got Danny's little Happy Meal toy still. Congrats to Danny on buying an M2. Join the Beamer Club. Jay's V-Dub. Volkswagens, Beamers. TT looks really nice. Cool wrap. I think this is Paul's. This is Paul's car. You guys probably remember seeing him on one of the rallies. Looks really good. Love the wrap. Stands out for sure. Super nice M2 competition. Tarek and his beautiful E30. Nice M5 that just pulled up. A couple other nice E30s. This one is so clean. You guys seen that at Barlow. Check this out.
This spec is awesome.
SVJ. Christine, here's your car. Wow. Look at all the details. Carbon, exhaust. Wow. That is stunning. Check this out. Wow. That is gorgeous. Huge shout out to Sheni's today for putting on that epic car show. It's always one of my favorite shows of the year. They do such a great job and such an awesome company to deal with. If you're in the Calgary area and you're looking for any work on your European car, don't be shy on hitting up Sheni's for oil change, alignment, anything you need to be done. But like that, I'm gonna head inside, start editing this vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.